Pick up my poop! Pick up my poop!
I'm not picking up your poop!
Hey, you! Pick up that poop!
You heard him, Brian. Pick up my poop.
Hey folks, here's a weird one. Got my favorite dog shit picker-upper. I call it my turd snatcher / de-thatcher. Gets in there good and picks up the slimy ones. Well, people made fun of me because I'd carry this thing around in the neighborhood instead of using one of those hand warmer bags, you know what I'm saying? And the pin boss, ugh, this thing's nasty. The pin boss broke off right there. So I was talking to an engineer, you know, how do I fix this? And I was trying to come up with all these crazy ideas, and I've been drinking. And he goes, why don't you just drill another hole? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drill another hole. So I'm going to run a wire down. I can't just go on the outside. It's got to go down the tube because these two little stainless steel things, which broke once before and I actually had a MIG weld back together, they need to get squeezed together to get this thing a nice clamp so you can hold a big pile of dog shit all the way back to the house. So I'm going to snip this off, run the wire down, and just curly Q it to try it out. If it works, then maybe I'll get fancy and get a little heavier duty heavier cable and you know, crimper proper. So let's see what happens. Now, if I've said it once, I said it 1,000 times. I hate working at the fucking home shop. I got 3 cordless drills, 2 air drills, 4 electric drills, and this fucking thing. And of course, this is the only fucking thing I got at the house. So I'm gonna fucking manila gorilla this thing, drill a hole right in there, and probably snap it in 2 and have to go buy a new $35 dog shit picker-upper. Now, since I'm going at this like a fucking barbarian, I gotta get this hole pretty close to the front so it'll have enough throw on the claws. So I'm gonna heat up a little screwdriver, trying not to get my Ho Chi Minh hat too hot. I'm gonna use this as a makeshift center punch. Now, I've never heated tools with a torch before, so I think I get this from experience. Maybe a butter knife back in the day. Oh shit, I could probably poke this right through. I'm gonna. Haha. There you go. Okay, fuck that drill. Cleaver. I'm gonna strip each end back just a little bit so I don't have to mess around once it's in the machine. If you could call this a machine, I guess so. And feed her on down the tube. Oh, yeah. That's how it looks. See why they charge so much for those colonoscopes. Alright. Are we through? We're through. Alright. I'm gonna have to trim this back. Shit, I thought we were through. Where the fuck is it? I'm trying so hard not to touch this thing. God damn. Oh, it is through. I just looking in the wrong spot. I'm glad I got that shiny thing out there. Leatherman. Gayest sounding and coolest tool ever. This might be a problem when binding. Let's see though. She's true. Give this a little hooky. Now this is aluminum, so I don't know if I can solder this or not. It's stiff enough. I think it's gonna do the job if I got enough throw. So we'll hook it up to the business end and find out. Alright. I was trying so hard not to touch this thing. I really should have been wearing some rubber gloves or something, but when I'm done here, I'm going to go take a silkwood shower. So this piece has to get in there. Oops, I'm off camera there, sorry. I'm going to have to hook this, have her in there, see if I can't get her tight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is some serious hackery. All in the name of trying to save 30 bucks. It's kind of expensive for a dog shit scooper though, right? But, you know, one of the best money could buy. Stainless steel. Lifetime warranty. Not. Made in America. Alright, moment of truth. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! Bring them turds. Bring them! Where's the applause? Thanks for watching.
In the attics of my life, full of cloudy dreams unreal, full of takes no tongue can know. Seeking all that's still unsung.